Move.
Okarune making pizzas. Oh. That's sweet of her. God. Where's the... Oh, there's the tomatoes. I'm a bit artistic.
Oh, I got you, dog.
I am a bit artistic. Oh. I drink.
How many cheese? Cheese. There you go. How the fuck?
Do I wash the tomato that's already boiled?
Gotta use it.
I'm washing
That's all we gotta do. We just gotta use it.
I'm already washing the tomato that's boiled. I made tomato soup. This is Diddy's kitchen.
It's Okarune's kitchen. The fuck is you on about?
I don't know.
Here, I'll get 2 more.
The hell? Okay. I'm coming!
Let me see her.
What? Okarune, what the hell?
Break around
No!
now.
Get on the pizza. I think that cheese is
There you go.
artistic. I don't know.
What the fuck? Let me cook it. Oh, yeah.
Sugar.
Old frog, we got this. Wait, no.
What?
Fuck. We
You
forgot.
can... I didn't know you can do that. Okay, just take the pizza out.
Damn it.
It's not that bad. I mean, cheese pizza isn't that bad.
Wait. Don't tell me you cooked the last one.
So like, we're a bit cooked. Where are the people? I see no people. Is it just me or am I hearing voices in my head? Because I hear people outside, but there are no people outside. I think it's Sarah.
Sarah?
Who's Sarah?
Sarah.
Who's Sarah?
Just...
I think we need to cook this a bit more. Do you like it? Huh? Oh God. Do you like it? Do you want a little taste?
What the actual fuck is this?
You taste it.
What is this?
Taste it. Just taste it. Just taste it. You do it so hard. It didn't even go the right way. By the way, it's like 11 something. Not even 11. I think it's 12 now for me. How much do you want to guess that like people are gonna find where I'm at just by the like time I say?
I know. What's the guy eat?
What do you mean? Do I like... I don't know if I should tell you this, but I've been recording this whole time. What the hell? But like,
I don't know how to cook. Give me that pizza. Give me that pizza. Give me that pizza. Not the sponge, the pizza. Listen here, you keep laughing like that. I'm gonna touch you inappropriately.
Oh god, I'm not even supposed to be awake right now. I'm probably gonna wake up my parents. Oh god. Should I when we're not talking, should I keep the little oh, I forgot what it was called. The running thing on the bottom to keep those ADHD children going.
Yup.
The really over exaggeratedly drooling babies. They're putting spit on their phone over the fact that there's a running child on the bottom.
Drooling baby.
Stop. I don't know if you've seen it on my channel, but I've posted the fact that I like it. I like this Okarune. Ooh, cake.
Happy birthday to
It's
you.
my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
Then fuck off!
Oh. Oh. Okarune, no. Okarune. Oh. What? I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm gonna get out of here.
Your buns.
I'm gonna grab your buns.